If you have never had a sip of hot buttered rum before, you are truly missing out, and you should try to remedy that like ASAP, and the holidays are the perfect time to do it. It's a super old school cocktail that dates all the way back to colonial times, and it's super easy to make. Just boil water and brown sugar with spices like cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and allspice. Then turn off the heat, and then you're gonna wanna whisk in cold butter until it's melted and almost emulsified. And I like to add a few pinches of salt to bring out the flavors. I think it just makes it taste more buttery. Then you're gonna stir in some dark spiced rum, but honestly, any type of rum will work fine here. I just really like the flavor that it gives. That is literally it. Just pour it into mugs, garnish with some cinnamon sticks, or if you want, you can grate some more fresh nutmeg right over top, and then just start sipping. It's so warm and comforting and perfect to have while you're decorating the tree or opening presents on Christmas morning.